Oh, I don't want that. Yo, what's good, y'all? It's boy the Million the Don back in the cut with Chainsaw Man, episode 11. Last episode, the training began with Denji and Power, and the master, the strongest devil hunter according to himself. We didn't get his name yet, but he is looking like he's the strongest one. He's pretty cold. He's teaching them, or he's training Denji and them now. And yeah, it's going pretty sorry for Power and Denji right now. They're getting destroyed on a daily basis, but I'm liking it. He's definitely putting them through the ringer, and I'm just liking seeing how this is gonna progress. Obviously, we saw Aki. Aki looks like he's confronted the Future Devil, and he's hoping to get a new contract with it. Hopefully, it doesn't take too much from him, but who knows? He already got 2 years. He only has 2 years left, so. Yeah, that's actually going to be crazy to see him lose another significant part of himself, but you know, we shall see. And the Future Devil looks pretty crazy too, like one eyeball, so not sure what's going on there, but yeah, we'll see about that. But yeah, fire episode, and looking forward to this one though, man. Episode 11 called Mission Start. So yeah, let's get to it, man. Let's go.
公安でこいつと契約している人は2人。1人は寿命半分、もう1人は両目と味覚、嗅覚を差し出しています。
未来最高、未来最高、未来最高。
Okay.
未来最高、未来最高。
俺はお前と契約をしに来た。お前は俺の何が欲しいか言え。
過去最悪な態度だぞお前。うまい、早くお腹に頭を突っ込め。
What?
じゃなきゃ未来が見えないだろ。
Okay. That's crazy.
契約はこうだ。お前の右目に俺を済ませろ。そうすればお前の力になってやる。それだけでいいのかって顔だな。なぜならお前は未来で最悪な死に方をする。どういう死に方をするか聞きたいか？お前は
言わなくてもいい。自分の死に方には興味ない。俺は俺が殺したい奴を殺す。あとはどうなってもいい。
Let's go.
さっさと目に入れ。
Okay.
よし。
Oh, they landed
今
with
のは
Smash.
逆転の動きだったぞ。今日から指導は毎日じゃなくていいな。
Oh, okay.
週一にする。常に自分の持ってる武器と状況を頭に入れとけ。指導を踏まえて明日に実践だ。
実践？
姫野たちを殺した侍ソードとヘビ女を俺たち全員で捕まえに行く。その作戦で失敗したら4課は終わり。
Alright, straight to it. Alright. That's squad one.
今回は忙しい中。
俺もあいつら嫌になってきちゃったな。
Oh, really? I thought he wanted toys he couldn't break.
死ぬたびに酒の量が増える。おもちゃなら壊れても罪悪感はないと思ってたが、この年になるとボケてきておもちゃ
Oh, that's why. Dang.
今回の得意か襲撃。
Right.
法案もバカじゃないだろう。
Okay, what's up?
お前、分かっていて見逃したな。
Like, how does she know
私も襲
that?
撃に遭いましたよ。
お前、
She probably has a contract with the Future Devil, bro. Because why are they just assuming that Makima knows this stuff? She has to be one of the two. So maybe she gave up half her life.
お前がどんな非道を尽くそうと、俺の飼い犬を殺そうと、人間様の味方で。
Oh shoot, he's talking that talk. Hold on.
襲撃に遭いましたよ。
Or maybe. I'm tripping. But like no, they said one person gave up half their life, the other one gave up their sight, their taste of smell, and then what else was it? And it was their sight, their taste, and their smell. Maybe that's Makima, because her eyes are already her eyes look weird, so maybe she can't see for real. Is that it? Maybe she can't see, and maybe she can't really taste. Maybe it's Makima, bro. Maybe because she can't really see because of her eyes, and then that's why she can drink. Like, no, that doesn't make sense actually. Never mind, that doesn't make sense. Because even if she can't taste the alcohol, she would still get drunk, you know, just naturally. But low key, she could not be able to see me. So like, she could either be like, if she is contracted with that future devil, I think that it's a possibility that maybe it's half her life, but also she could also be the person who lost their eyes, their sense of taste and smell. So I don't know.
人間様の味方でいるうちは見逃してやるよ。うちはな。
私は悪魔から一人でも多く人を救いたいだけです。今回の作戦が成功すれば、四課の存在を積極的に報道することになってます。
嘘つき。
Why she was lying? I look at him. Oh, he's scared as heck.
組長は別荘に移動してもらっています。我がも。
マキマが生きてる限り、日本には逃げれる場所はない。
女は黙れ。
じいちゃんがいたら逃げることを許さねえぜ。それに四課にはクソ電池がいる。次こそ心臓をもぎ取ってやる。
No, you're not.
ここに残るなら噛まれないように用心しな。
噛まれないように。
何のことですか？ここの下には秘密兵器がいる。
Oh, what?
じいちゃんの置き土産。借金を返せねえクズどもで作ったゾンビ軍団だ。
Wow.
ゾンビに。
俺たちは東京観光して京都帰ります。もう会うこともないやろうし、一つ質問させて。
These guys are so like they're so sure that they're never gonna like come back here. Yo, they're like they told Makima like, yo, we're gonna help you guys, you know, train your squad, and then we're gone. And then he's just telling him again right here, like we're just gonna sightsee and then we're gone. We're never gonna meet each other again, probably. So I doubt that, bro, because the way they're saying that, man, like you're all gonna be here for a while.
本気で殺せるって思ってます？今回得意化を20人ほど殺したやつに君は負けてるのに、世界中の人間をうん百万人殺したやつには勝てるとでも？実は俺たちも銃の悪魔にめちゃくちゃにされた恨みで公安来ました。
No, y'all too, huh?
でも銃の悪魔を殺そうなんて思いませんよ。
What you trying to
普
do?
通に考えれば無理ってわかりますもん。正直アキ君見てるとムカつくんですわ。
The heck?
弱いくせに漫画の主人公みたいな目標を掲げて痛くて寒いボタツは。
All right, bro, what's
ほ
up?
ら、
俺の前でごちゃごちゃ言わないでくださいよ。あんたは黙って見てればいい。
Right.
俺が負けて死んだその時に笑いに来てください。ご指導ありがとうございました。
アキ君、君のことムカつくけど応援しとくわ。最後にこの言葉を送る。得意化にはまともなやつはいないから気をつけな。
Okay. Noted.
公安のお客さんだ。高市洋次郎。
ご協力ありがとうございます。
聞いた話によると、この沢渡って女が黒幕でな。この女を仲介にうちの若いやつが騙されて銃の悪魔と契約しちまったらしい。
契約の内容は
銃の悪魔に2万円を払う代わりに契約者は銃と弾がもらえるんだとよ。
20,000 yen for
悪
what?
魔の世界も金が必要なんかな。人類諸君と変わらないね。
組にいる10の悪魔と契約している方の名前をすべてここに書いてもらいます。
おう、いいよ。しばらく無所に入れて反省させてください。
あなたの組の名前だけでなく他の組の方のもお願いします。
組同士で戦争が起こっちゃう。
Bro, that wasn't a question. That was
バ
a
カだね。
bro. That was
安
a
全のためです。
Yeah.
ご協力お願いします。
That's not a request, boy. You better realize.
ジョーちゃん、必要悪って言葉知ってるかい？
I sure have. What does
俺
that
たち
mean?
身内同士で潰し合ってみな。したらその間に外国マフィアが日本に入ってきちゃうんだ。それを俺たちが防いでるんだ。
Hey, I don't care about none of that, man. Give me them names, boy.
デビルハンターが悪魔からに
She's the bro. Nah, bro. She's the one that has that contract with the future devil, bro. Cause just the way she is, bro. The fact that smoke didn't affect her at all, man. Like that could just be how she is, man. But I think she really can't smell that or nothing, man. Yeah. Okay.
デビルハンターは学のないバカが多いっつうからわからないのも当然かね。
What's that? What's that?
ここにいる皆さんの父や母、おばあちゃん、おじいちゃん、兄弟、姉妹、
Okay.
恋人、目です。
Their eyes.
目
Huh? Oh shoot! What
安
the
心
heck?
してください。公安には目を元通りにできる人がいます。ご協力していただけるのなら、その人を紹介します。
Boy, you better stop. She's not the one, man. Put that fist down. Oh, it's too late. Oh,
あなたの言う必要悪というものは、
you talking about me?
悪事を行う自分を正当化する言い訳です。
Okay, yeah, yeah.
その言い訳は社会に必要な、
Okay.
必要な悪というのは、常に国家が首輪をつけて支配しているものです。
できるだけ公安を殺してデンジの心臓を奪う。
Okay.
その後は蛇を使えば私とお前ぐらいなら逃げれるだろう。
帰りたい。
帰りてえなら帰りゃいいじゃね
Oh,
えか。
Kobané is still here. Let's go. Hey, okay, y'all there. Let's go.
作戦は
作戦はない。
All right.
得意か全員をビルにぶち込む。
Okay, that's the plan.
神奈川県警より来ました警部補の椎名です。タイマニカ古野です。
得意四課隊長岸辺だ。
Oh, that's Kishibe. Okay, he's Kishibe. Okay. I heard. Okay. Heard that name before. Kishibe. All right, so he's a Kishibe. That makes sense.
警察とタイマニカは一階と近く。
Wait, he said he's captain of Special Division 4. I thought that was Makima. Captain. Maybe she's like above. I don't know. Actually, is she above him? Didn't they say Makima was gonna be the head of 1, 2, 3, and 4? I think. Forgot. But he said he's the captain. So. Okay. Interesting.
その上でお前たちが注意すべきことは一つだけ。得意四課はほとんどの隊員が人外で構成されている。四課の誰かが街に逃げたらテロリストが暴れるよりも被害が大きくなる。今回お前たちにはテロリストではなく四課と交戦になった場合に備えて隊員の特徴を説明しておく。
ザンビーザンビー
What the heck? Who's that?
サメの魔人。
Oh.
影の中や地面、どんな場所でも泳ぐことができる。
Okay.
じゃ短い間なら悪魔の姿にもなれる。
Oh. Stop that.
お、ごめんな。噛まれたからゾンビだと思った。
Okay.
暴力の魔人。
The
本
violence
来魔
fiend.
人になるとこいつは魔人でも強すぎるから毒が出る仮面をつけさせている。何があってもこいつの仮面は取るな。
Ooh, okay. Oh, who's that? Who that? Oh, shit.
悪魔か。
Okay.
雲の
Oh, I don't want that.
人間のような形をしている。
Okay.
靴汚れた。こいつ最悪。
Yeah, bro, who's that? Okay.
天使の悪魔。
What? What? The angel devil? Okay. That's a oxymoron. If I've ever seen one. Alright. The angel devil. What the heck? People scared of angels, I guess? Okay, interesting.
こいつは特殊な悪魔で人に敵意はないが近づくな。触れると寿命を吸い取られるからな。
Oh.
そこの君、ハンカチ持ってない？
Look how he walking up. Aki's a G. Aki is and Kobeni too. Aki and Kobeni, there's some G's to really be in the presence of these guys and just be humans, bro. That's actually crazy, bro. I didn't know we had that many people like that was on that level, bro. That's actually wild.
よく僕に近づけるね。触れられたら寿命短くなるのに。
With the touch.
胸越しだったら大丈夫なんだろう。
Ooh, ooh. Ooh, boy.
サムライソードとヘビ女を探すぞ。
あ？当てはあんのかよ。
Of course. Oh.
手分けして探せ。
All right. They like these walking scenes. All right. Shot. Boy. Gotta stop that. Okay. Oh, already leaking. Wow. Oh. All right. Whoa, 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 whoa. Who that, Makima? Or what? God dang. That's Makima. That's crazy. Oh, I just realized she was asking for names. That's how she's getting names. She was asking for the guy for names. Okay. Okay, so she actually goes around and like asks. Okay. That makes sense. So what? Is she like Yagami, bro? Like, what is this? What the heck? Oh, wow. Just chilling, waiting. Ooh, a rematch. Let's go.
おとなしく投稿しろ。
ヘビ、吐き出し。
What is that? Spit it out. Oh, that's messed up. That's messed up. That's messed up. Well, she leaking too, though.
前よりも動けるな。
Yeah.
僕の力を使えばね、君の右目は少し先の未来が見えるよ。
Let's go, Aki.
見えるだけだけどね。
That's all. Oh, whoa.
そのまま締め殺せ。
Oh, whoa. Come on now. Stop that. Damn, we gotta use the power. Dang. That doesn't. How would that help right now, though? This man really got choked out. Aki. What the heck? Yo, what the heck? My dog really just got choked out. He just got choked out. Oh, that sucks, man. You can't, like, seeing the future doesn't even help in that situation. You already caught. Bro. This is annoying, man. Sawatari's a freaking, she's trash, bro. For her to use that curse against him like that, like, wow. Like, out of all the curses, you're gonna use that one. How is that still alive? I thought when Himeno died, that one died too. But I guess not. I guess the snake just ate it. And now it works for Sawatari, or it has a contract with Sawatari. Weird. And Sawatari, bro, like, she's able to just sacrifice her fingernails and then that's it. Like, I don't know, like, she's different too. I don't know what kind of contract she got, but it's weird. Yeah. Dang. Alright, this division though, special division, is crazy. We have some wild people in this division, man. Aki got stronger, of course. You saw, Power and Denji got stronger, but we got the shark, I think, with the shark fiend, the spider devil, I think, and or the spider fiend, and then the angel devil. That was crazy. And then what else? I think it was one more. Oh yeah, the violence fiend or something. That violence one has a freaking poison mask on it at all times. Like, hey, we got some hitters in this special division for sure. But yeah, hopefully they all are assets and not liabilities. but they are gonna be a good assist, I feel like. But besides that, we have the regular humans, regular with Aki and Kobeni, or Kobeni. I keep on saying Kobeni. I think it's Kobeni and Aki. And we found out the master's name, Kishibe. He is the strongest. You know what I mean? He was actually talking kind of heavy on Makima. He had some choice words for Makima. He was basically telling her like, yo, you better watch what you're doing. Like, I know, like, if it's for the sake of humanity and society, okay, cool, but like, that's it. And he was basically saying that she was lying, because she was like, oh yeah, it is, like, for sure, like, we can help more people, but he was like, you're lying. So I wonder what Makima's true goal is, and like, what is she aiming for, you know what I mean? Like, what's her goal? But yeah, Kishibe is dope though. I like him. Makima went to the freaking Yakuza basically and was like, yo, I need these names. I need this list, and I got these eyes here in case you don't want to cooperate. So she got the list, it looks like, and she got the names, and I guess she needs just the names to kill these guys. So she's ridiculous, man. She don't even be at the situation. Makima works outside of the actual, like, the crime scenes or whatever. She don't be at the scene. She just be like in a different city or whatever. She just be killing these guys from distance. That's wild. But yeah, she's a problem, of course. We knew that. And yeah, we got this samurai sword, and Sawatari be coming for the head. So yeah, and they got these zombies too. These zombies can take care of them. I think that's light work. But them two guys, the samurai sword dude and Sawatari, they're gonna be they're gonna be trouble, of course. But as we see right now, Aki getting choked up. So I don't know if he's gonna get out of the situation by himself, or if he's gonna need some help. But yeah, either way, man, fire episode. Definitely look forward to the next one. And yeah, if y'all rock with that, do all that stuff in the description. Catch you on the next. Stay healthy, stay powerful, stay blessed.
It's a hustler's do. And you ain't did it to a hustler do. And you ain't know it to a hustler new. And you ain't done till the hustler's through. I'm a customer too, this what hustlers do. And you ain't seen it till you seen it from a hustler's